Oh wait, see, I had a new mystery box.
Oh my god. From where did you get it?
Someone placed it door.
Okay, let's open this.
I'm cutting.
Hurry up, you're too much slow. Like the turtle, oh my god. Oh, open. There's too much thermoball in it. I like it so much. Can I look at the thing?
It is a boat. Oh,
It's looking something like Japanese. What? Okay, so guys, I'm not going to unbox it in this video. I will unbox it in my short. So put it away. What's next here? That's a pink thing. That's from me, bro. I don't think you're trying to get anything. So that's a room decor. My god, that's so cute. That's for you, bro, and that's for you. That's for me, and that's for me. Okay?
what is this?
What? Oh my god, rainbow scratch paper notebook. That's looking beautiful. That is a woolen stick in it.
Let's open.
Okay. Unwrap it. Looking cool.
Too cute.
Yeah, I scratch it.
No. We will make separate videos. With
Okay, put it away and find the next thing. That's what? That's a mini canvas.
canvas.
Yeah, don't wrap it. You don't want it?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I don't want to paint today.
Okay, put it away. Find another thing.
What is this?
I think these are the cards, mystery cards. Let's open this. Hurry up. Oh my god, you have scratched. Don't tear them.
What is this?
These are the cards of chocos. Oh my god, I love choc cards. I love chocos and the cards. Looking beautiful. That's the tricks and teasers.
These are cards.
Nice, so nice. Find it.
I didn't find anything.
But this is the wrapper, I think. So. What? Happy birthday, so beautiful. Bro, your birthday has passed and my birthday is coming. So beautiful. That is a cake topper. Yeah, open. Hurry up. I want to grab it. But you always do the same, bro. You're never letting me do. Wow, give it to me.
It is too aesthetic.
It's so aesthetic. It is grateful. Bro, do you know I love to play with these thermoplastic balls.
What's this? Stop.
First thing I'm gonna behave like
What
it.
is this? It is too big.
Yeah. It's for thermoplastic? Oh my god. It should be empty. It seems to be an organizer, like cosmetic organizer. That's not also for use.
Organizer.
Give me.
It's rotating.
See who in file first.
Oh,
I'm going to
nothing.
find. What? These are the sticky notes. Yeah,
It is. This wrapper is cute.
it's okay. You're so cute. We will decorate it on our study table. Found
I
something?
found something.
What?
This is for me.
That's looking like a mini hammer.
No, it's a kitchen.
Okay,
me.
for
me.
you.
Yes.
Okay. I also don't have any interest in these things. Let's find next. I'm tired of finding. Oh, hurry
I
up.
found something.
What?
This is a.
I think it's a chainsaw or whatever. Leave this. There's a cute keychain. So this is the last time to find. Okay, it's materials inside. It's finished, I think.
It's finished.
Hope you liked this video. So don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.